Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about area in the coordinate plane. So last time we talked about perimeter, now we are going to do something similar, but instead we're going to find the area of the polygon given the vertices. So my first step here is to go ahead and plot these just like we did before. So I have A, 1, 3, so I go right 1, up 3. B, 4, negative 3, so right 4. Down 3, and then I have negative 4, negative 3, so left 4, down 3, and then I'll go ahead and connect my dots. So here we're wanting to find the area of this triangle. And so important thing to remember here is our formula for finding area. And for an area of a triangle, we know that that is 1/2 base times height. So first I want to figure out what my base is. And so my base is just this flat part at the bottom, what it's sitting on. And so I need to find the length of that. And I see that that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I see that my base is equal to 8. And then I need to figure out my height. So here it's really important to distinguish what my height actually is. It's not going to be this side, it's not going to be this side, but instead it's that vertical line coming out from the base. And so my height is actually going to be the length of this vertical line right here. It's that vertical line that is perpendicular, makes a right angle with your base. And I see that that length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that my area is going to be 1/2 times 8 times 6. Well, 8 times 6 is 48. And then when I take half of 48, I get that my area is equal to 24 units squared. Okay, let's try another one. So here I have G is 2, 2. H is 3, negative 1. And then J is negative 2, negative 1. And so I get this shape here. So again, I have a triangle, so I know that area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So I need to figure out what my base is and what my height is. Well, my base is what it's sitting on, and I see that length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then again, my height is that vertical line that's perpendicular to the base. So that's going to go from G all the way down here. So you always just want to take that top vertice from your triangle and make a straight line down to your base. And I see that that length is 1, 2, 3. So I get that my area is equal to 1/2 times B, which is 5, times H, which is 3. 5 times 3, I get 15. And so when I take half of 15, I get 7.5 units squared. So those were all with these types of triangles. I don't have this example, but let's say you had a triangle that instead was a right triangle, like this one. Your base would still be this one down below. But now your height is actually one of the sides, because it's a vertical line. So you would multiply those two instead and then take half of it. Okay, now let's do this one last one. So this one's a quadrilateral. So I have K, negative 1, 1. L, 2, 1. M, 2, negative 2, and n, -1, -2. So now that I have a quadrilateral here, my area for this is actually just going to be length times width. So my length here is 1, 2, 3. And my width is 1, 2, 3 as well. So to find this area, I'm just going to do 3 times 3. And so I get that my area is equal to 9 units squared.